over there 50 to 60 artists.
Yeah.
They are working over there. We produce tabletops, big tabletops, and also designs for the floor.
Right.
Sometimes we got the order for the mosque, from the temples.
Right.
So we do that work. also.
Yep.
This is also one part of that inlay. My speech is finished now. So, like over here. Okay, you are from Australia?
Yes, we're from Australia.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's
Yep.
like maybe you heard of them. The lapis lazuli, the blue,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
the green malachite,
Yeah.
and the power shell, the New Zealand. From New Zealand, we got that shell.
Right.
Cornelian. The light passes through it, the orange one.
Yeah.
So, mother of pearl.
Yeah.
These are the stones we use. Jade, yellow.
Does this come from a shell?
This is shell, mother of pearl.
From a
Pearl.
shell.
From a shell,
sea,
yes.
Seashell.
Seashell. And the from New Zealand we get the power shell.
Mm-hmm.
That is different.
So what's he doing?
So then after these stones we gave them shape basically on this hand grinder by slowly rotating it, and whatever the shape we want, like flower, leaves, calligraphy, all is done by this hand grinder. Slowly.
Oh, it's very smooth.
Yeah. You see it?
So you have to do each little stone or shell.
Oh wow. They keep shaping it to
this is the process, man.
So is it pretty soft?
This one. No, the stones are very hard.
Oh.
Actually, the grinder is very hard.
Oh.
So, and he has a practice to do this work from the age of 15.
Wow.
And now he's 35. So he's doing this work from last 20 years. So his fingers, his style of working is like a very easy. But when you come this side and you try, then you will feel the difference. Very difficult. Sometimes to hold those pieces is very difficult also.
I have one piece.
Now these stones, like for example flower or leaves, this we fix it in the marble.
Yes.
So that's why it is known as inlay, because it goes in the marble. Yeah. So now the second part is this one, in which this is like, again I told you, like we are demonstrating here, so when tourist comes, we explain them. The procedure is same. Either you make a big table, we put the red colored henna, and we take the outline of that particular piece on that henna.
I just gouge it out, jeez. Scratch it all out.
So that's all going to be inlays into this, going to be a marble table.
Yeah, we do the same procedure, sir. We have tables which took like 2 years to complete.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Wow. Yeah, 6x3 table, dining table, with 20,000 pieces on it. Small, if you count, they are 20,000. And 2 workers, minimum 2 artists. One is hand grinder and one is this cutting work.
Doing that work.
It took 2 years to complete. Because labor is cheap here in India, ma'am, so the people can afford to buy those things from India.
They're heavy to send though, aren't they?
Yeah, anywhere possible in the world, sir, now. You know, everything is very easy because of email and everything, tracking numbers. Previously, when my father used to sell, he has very problems. He has to do many papers. But now everything is very easy.
You communicate.
Communication.
It's amazing, isn't it? Even the way we travel has changed so much.
Yeah, it's very easy now. You can trace
do
anything.
our own booking everything ourselves.
Yeah, on Google you can search everything.
That's
now.
right. That's right.
Previously, it's not possible.
Yeah, that's right.
You get strong fingers from that, don't you?
This finger is callous.
Yeah,
Oh,
of course,
yeah.
yeah. yeah.
This
Yeah.
finger is very soft. This is
That's callous. You make a good zither player with that figure.
Yeah.
Callous. Only because of that only we can make this cavity. Otherwise not possible. You can feel the hardness, Brigadier. You can try, ma'am, here little bit, somewhere.
You're going to ruin their design, dear.
No, this is for demonstration. It is not for sell.
Yeah.
It is only for showing.
Wow, yeah.
Not possible sometimes.
Yeah.
Very hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Marble is second hardest stone in the world after
Is it
granite.
really? Okay.
After granite.
Okay. Yeah, granite. Yeah.
Actually, ma'am, marble has crystals
Right.
in it. If
Right.
you see, that's why it is also known as crystalline marble,
Oh, yeah.
Agra marble.
Right.
And this is the reason the Taj Mahal shines in the moonlight.
Oh, really?
Those crystals
Oh,
shines
yeah.
in the moonlight.
Nice. Nice.